Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer video iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and use my cable. So I'm just take a cable. This cable is type C. So at first connect to phone. At first I'm connect my iPhone, put in my Samsung phone. Okay. Go to my control center. Just tap on and select the first option. Okay, I'm just select, press on. Okay, click on to menu up and press on to allow. Click on to menu option, then you get MTP device. Press on and select Apple. Now it's scanning. Okay, now scan my all image. So like I'm open. So look here, same to same. So just allow this image to image, same to same. So you just select photo or video, like I'm select, press on to import. Okay, close it and reopen album recently saved. Now I'm recently saved this image. So that's it.